Are you looking for a step-by-step guide to setting up Spylix on an iPhone? In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do it. Plus, I'm giving away a free ebook, Digital Safety Made Simple, packed with tips to protect your family online. I'll tell you how to grab it later, so stick around. First, let's quickly go over what Spylix offers. It's a monitoring app designed for iPhone users who need to track phone activity. Its features include call and text monitoring, stay updated on who they're communicating with, GPS tracking, always know their real-time location, social media monitoring, get insights into platforms like WhatsApp and Facebook. It's simple to install and works discreetly, making it perfect for parents. But while Spylix is reliable, there are a few limitations. Limited customer support can sometimes be frustrating. It lacks advanced features like live camera streaming, and their affiliate program is restrictive, which raised some concerns about their flexibility. That's why I recommend checking out Umobix, especially if you want more advanced features. Here's what sets it apart. Live camera streaming, a game changer that Spylix doesn't offer. Enhanced social media tracking, covers more platforms with better accuracy. Fast and easy setup, works seamlessly on both Android and iOS. Responsive support team, they're always ready to help. Plus, Umobix comes with a 7-day free trial, so you can explore its features before making a decision. Now, let's dive into the tutorial. 1. Sign up. Go to the Spylix website, create an account, and choose an iPhone plan. 2. Verify iCloud credentials. Enter the iCloud credentials of the iPhone you want to monitor. Spylix syncs data without needing physical access. 3. Set up and monitor. Once synced, log into your Spylix dashboard to start monitoring calls, texts, GPS, and more. It's that simple. Within minutes, you'll have everything set up and ready to go. So if Spylix fits your needs, give it a try today. But if you want more powerful features, don't forget to check out Umobix, the better alternative. The link for both is in the description below. Also, make sure to grab your free ebook, Digital Safety Made Simple. It's packed with tips to protect your family online and works great whether you're using Spylix or Umobix. Just click the link, enter your email, and download it instantly. Your family's safety is priceless. Whether you choose Spylix or upgrade to Umobix, taking action today is what truly matters. Check out the links below for more details and to claim your free ebook. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.